got the first fish of the year, and it's not what I ordered. It's a fucking pike. Bring his ass over here. I'll show you guys before I let him go. There he is. Get out of here. Don't take my fucking worm. I need that. I don't have my box. What? Dude, these pliers suck. Yeah, these things are fucking trash. Oh my god, these are fucking god awful. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Trying to fuck with these fish with these pieces of shit. There we go. It was too early for topwater, they said. They said the frog wouldn't work, they said. Yeah! That's not a bad start. Look at the mouth on that sucker. I found him. So that is the first bass of the season right there. Not a bad one. That thing's got a nice mouth on it though. Caught him on the frog. That was exciting. That was freaking badass. I'm getting all kinds of strikes out here. They're definitely heating up. Oh, that makes me happy. All right, that's a real good one right there. Yeah, baby. Shit's happening today, boys. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Come on over here. Okay, not bad. Didn't have them hooked too well. Okay, cool. Fuck, man, I got another one. Oh, look at the boil. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a good one right here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay, off you go back into the wild. Oh, got another one. Just picked it up. Swim the other way, swim the other way. Ah, burbot. You little bastard. Or is this a bowfin? Hang on. Oh, I think it's a bowfin right here. Got him. Feisty little creature. This is just non-stop. It is non-stop. That wacky worm just doesn't freaking play around, dude. Hell yeah. I got another one on right now. Holy shit, another tank. Oh shit. Yeah. Fuck. Dude. Oh my God. This is just too cool, man. All right, back you go, buddy. Swimming the worm that time. Little guy. Bugs are getting ruthless. There's a specific spot I want to cast up in here. Worm's good for about maybe 1 or 2 more fish tops. Holy shit! Another fucking pig, man. Oh yeah, Dad, look at this one. Man, holy shit. Yeah, this is a good fish right here. This is the best one so far. Wow. Shit, I'm getting in these fucking trees. I gotta get out of here. Dude, this is probably a 4.5 pounder right here. This is a good fish. Look at that one. Look at the girth. Oh, that worm's history. I gotta put another worm on. Oh. Beautiful, beautiful fish. So this is what I keep slamming them on right here. I think this is, yeah, green pumpkin chartreuse swirl. The Strike King version of the Cinco worm. And I hook them up wacky style. So right down the center. That presentation, they just can't resist. Just cannot say no. It's like putting a cupcake in front of a fat girl. She just won't say no to that. Try to hook it up as center as possible so it sits nice and even Steven on both sides. Heat tubing, a lot cheaper than doing the O-ring method. Holds up a lot better too. Just like that. Unbelievable how many fish are in here. Now they're female. Wow. Look at the belly on that. Oh. All right, girl. Well, I switched to a whopper plopper. I got this hoss right here. Ha ha. Nice largie. All right, buddy. Oh. Oh, that was right on my dick. Oh, fucker. Ow. Okay. Oh, thanks for the fun. So just switch to the devil's horse. Got this guy. Freaking hooked in a million different places, which is fine with me. The bugs are starting to come out. These pliers are fucking garbage. Gotcha. Yeah, buddy. Stinks in here. Ooh. The fish jumping all around me. Yeah. Got a busted hook off there. It's got a bunch of teeth marks from all the fish, all the pike coming up and nailing it. I got a hook that's bent to oblivion. This bait has caught so many fish. So this is a small little inland lake called Lake. Just got here, just missed a nice largemouth right by the launch. Only like 5 houses on this lake. Launch is right back there. We got all this right here to fish. A bunch of undeveloped shore. Like fish number 7 or 8 so far. Really interesting looking largemouth. Got a long body on it.